Hi everybody, let's take a look at how to do the Excel log in Microsoft Excel. A couple things to check. So be sure that you've got your data entered into all of your cells for time writing 1 through 5. Don't forget to highlight in whatever color you want those top 3 errors, or at least maybe the top 4, whichever ones are the greatest, so you can see the trends over time. The other way you'll be able to see those trends is the total numbers will add up, telling you, okay, so this and this and this and this are areas where I have my most errors continually. But the green column is your first 3 time writing errors. You'll see that that calculates C through E, 1 through 3. And those totals, those totals, we want to make sure that they are bolded and changed color. So you have to manually go in and change the color on that one. For example, I want to make it red and bold so I can see my top 3 or 4 error rates for the first 3 timed writings. We'll calculate those at the end to look at the last 3 timed writings of the last ones we do. But for now, we just want to see where our trends were at the beginning and how they might be changing. So the other thing you'll see, if you can't see your numbers down here, if you see just the number, it means that you've got the columns are too narrow. So just make them a little bit wider. Remember to enter your words per minute, your word count in the blue row. And for the graph, a couple things we want to notice. This graph is calculating 1 through 6, and we need 1 through 5. Here's how we do that. In Microsoft Excel, you're going to click on the purple line, and you see at the top, it's calculating the sheet from C to H column. C to H column. Well, we don't want this H column. We want to G. So I'm going to take that H, delete it, and put G. Over here, there's a second H. I'm going to delete it and put G. Click Enter. And now you'll see it calculates at 1 out of 5. Finally, if you do not have the trend line showing on your graph, if I click on the trend line, double click, and it should give you the options on the right side. I just have the text. Give me a second. Chart design, page layout, data. I don't remember how to change the trend line. I'm going to have to double check with that, but we'll find it later. Ignore that for now. Anyway, from this information, you'll be able to see your error rate, and you can grab a screenshot of your chart, copy, paste that screenshot into your time writing report. Good luck.